So imagine that the in the company that you want to maybe there's a new site that has been created, and the IT admins, they will face the requirement to bulk provision Zoom spaces for this new site. And again, you have two ways, either without Kermi or with Kermi. Without Kermi is with the Zoom native portal, you will have to manually type the name or the settings, or you can use a spreadsheet. Of course, you have to make sure that the data is accurate, there is no error before uploading to the tool. And with Kermi, what's different is that instead of manual typing, you can set up the business rules. For example, you can make a naming convention automatically, and you can have the settings for these Zoom spaces based on the based on the location. And Kermi could work with the CSV file, but not only you can import this CSV file into the interface and see the contents and do real-time changes. So now let's play the demos. So first, without Kermi. So you have to log into Zoom and go to the Zoom room page, choose the type, and give manually the name of this room. Choose the location of this room and save the settings. You can save and add another directly from the same button. But here again, you have to type manually the name, choose the settings that you want to set up, and then you finish. So this is how you can do without Kermi. And with Kermi, again, you're going to have the interface and go to the Zoom space management creation form. You can see that when you choose the location, you will have automatically the settings already checked. And these are the business rules that you have predefined. What's more, you can use this button to have a table view. So in this table view, you can download export the templates, work on this template to provide all the spaces that you want to create, and re-import into the interface, into the application. Here, for example, you can see that there is a list of 4 spaces that has been added into the file. And Kermi can do this pre-check, and you can perform some real-time change to make sure that all the parameters have been imported correctly and set up correctly. You can also do the mass change by setting up the parameter together. Once you have all the parameters and you have all these green checks, you can just submit the request, and Kermi is going to process as a job. This is a running job, creating all the spaces that has been imported. When the task has finished, you can see all the spaces created in Kermi, and you can of course find them also on Zoom portal.